Good day everyone. Today I will discuss about Debian. What is Debian? Debian is a versatile and widely respected Linux distribution known for its stability, commitment to free and open source software, and extensive package management system. Developed by the Debian project, a global community of volunteers, Debian has played a pivotal role in shaping the Linux ecosystem. Here's a description of Debian. First, stability and reliability. Debian is renowned for its focus on stability, making it a popular choice for servers and production environments. The Debian stable release undergoes rigorous testing before being deemed suitable for widespread use. Second, community-driven development. The Debian project is driven by a diverse and dedicated community of volunteers, including developers, translators, and contributors from around the world. Decisions are made through a democratic process, reflecting a collaborative and open approach to development. Third, Debian social contract. Debian adheres to a social contract that outlines its commitment to free software principles. This includes providing free access to the distribution, supporting open standards, and avoiding discriminatory practices. Fourth, release philosophy. Debian follows a release when ready philosophy rather than adhering to fixed release schedules. While this may result in longer release cycles, it ensures a high standard of quality, reliability, and thorough testing. Fifth, package management system. Debian utilizes the Debian Package Management System, DPKG, along with the Advanced Package Tool or APT. This combination simplifies the installation, removal, and management of software packages, providing users with a robust package management experience. Sixth, Debian repositories. Debian maintains a comprehensive set of software repositories categorized into stable, testing, and unstable branches. Users can choose the level of software stability they desire by selecting from these branches. 7. Multiple hardware architectures. Debian supports a wide range of hardware architectures, making it adaptable for various computing devices, from personal computers to servers and embedded systems. 8. Debian installer. The Debian installer is known for its flexibility and ease of use. It supports various installation methods, allowing users to configure their systems according to specific requirements. 9th, security focus. Debian places a strong emphasis on security. The Debian security team actively monitors vulnerabilities and releases timely security updates to address any identified issues, enhancing the overall security of the distribution. 10th, Debian Free Software Guidelines or DFSG. Debian strictly adheres to the Debian Free Software Guidelines, which define the criteria for software to be considered free within the Debian context. This commitment ensures a strong stance on free and open source software. 11th, Debian Live Images. Debian provides live images that enable users to experience Debian without installing it. These live images are useful for testing compatibility and exploring the Debian environment. 12. Debian derivatives. Debian has served as the foundation for numerous Linux distributions, known as derivatives. Popular distributions such as Ubuntu and Nopix are based on Debian and inherit its package management system. Debian's impact on the open source world extends far beyond its own user base, influencing the development of many other Linux distributions and contributing to the broader ecosystem of free and open source software. Its commitment to stability, security, and free software principles continues to make Debian a respected choice among Linux users. Debian as an open source project was not created by a single individual. Rather, emerged through collaborative efforts within the free software community. However, it's worth mentioning the founder of the Debian project, who played a key role in its initiation. Debian was founded by Ian Murdoch. Ian Murdoch created Debian in August 1993, while he was a student at Purdue University. The name Debian is a combination of his then-girlfriend's name, Debra, and his own name, Ian. Ian Murdoch articulated the vision of Debian in the Debian Manifesto, outlining the goals and principles of the project. While Ian Murdoch was the founder, the development of Debian quickly expanded beyond him, and a community of developers and contributors formed around the project. The Debian project has continued to evolve under the collaborative efforts of this diverse community, with contributors from around the world working on different aspects of the distribution, including development, documentation, translation, and more. Tragically, Ian Murdoch passed away in December 2015, but his contributions to the open source community and establishment of Debian as a respected and influential distribution endure. The Debian project remains a testament to the power of collaborative, community-driven development in the realm of free and open source software. Debian has a long history of releases, each contributing to the distribution's reputation for stability, reliability, and adherence to free software principles. Here is a brief overview of Debian's version history up until my last knowledge update in January 2022. First, Debian 0.91, January 1994, the initial public release of Debian. Second, Debian 0.93, March 1994, added support for more architectures. Third, Debian 0.93 R6, December 1994, sixth revision of the 0.93 releases. Fourth, Debian 1.1, June 1996, introduced the Debian Social Contract and the Free Software Guidelines. Fifth, Debian 1.2, December 1996, improved installation process and added support for more packages. Sixth, Debian 1.3, June 1997, added support for ELF binaries and introduced the APT package management system. 7th, Debian 2.0, HAM, July 1998, included many new packages, the Genome desktop environment, and improved installation tools. 8th, Debian 2.1, Slink, March 1999, added support for the PowerPC architecture and further improvements to package management. 9. Debian 2.2, Potato, August 2000, introduced the KDE desktop environment and support for the ARM architecture. 10th, Debian 3.0, Woody, July 2002, featured the XFS file system and improvements to package management. 11th, Debian 3.1, Sarge, June 2005, introduced the AMD64 architecture and the MPTL threading library. 12. Debian 4.0 H, April 2007, included the Xorg server and the Genome 2.14 desktop environment. 13th, Debian 5.0 Lenny, February 2009, introduced support for the free Java runtime OpenJDK. 14th, Debian 6.0 Squeeze, February 2011, included support for the IPv6 protocol and the Genome 2.30 desktop environment. 15th, Debian 7.0 Wheezy, May 2013, featured the XFCE 4.8 desktop environment and introduced multi-arc support. 16th, Debian 8.0 Jesse, April 2015, included system as the default unit system and introduced the Genome 3 desktop environment. 17th, Debian 9.0 Stretch, June 2017, featured improved UEFI support and introduced the Mate desktop environment. 18th, Debian 10 Buster, July 2019, included the Linux kernel 4.19 and introduced AppArmor for mandatory access controls. 19th, Debian 11 Bullseye, August 2021, featured the Linux kernel 5.10 and introduced Wayland as the default display server for Genome. Debian releases are known by code names based on characters from the movie Toy Story. The development branches include unstable, seed testing, and stable. Users can choose the level of stability they prefer when selecting which brand to use. Debian releases are known for their long support cycles and the option for users to choose between the stable for testing branches based on their needs. For the most up-to-date information, it's recommended to check the official Debian website or release notes. Debian, as one of the oldest and most influential Linux distributions, boasts a set of features that contribute to its widespread use and popularity in both community and enterprise environments. Here are some key features of Debian. First, stability. Debian is renowned for its focus on stability. The stable release undergoes thorough testing, making it suitable for production servers and environments where reliability is crucial. Second, community-driven development. Debian is developed by a diverse and dedicated community of volunteers from around the world. Decision-making is based on a democratic process, fostering collaboration and inclusivity. Third, Debian social contract. Debian adheres to a social contract that emphasizes free software principles. This commitment includes providing free access to the distribution, supporting open standards, and avoiding discriminatory practices. Fourth, package management system. Debian utilizes the Debian Package Management System (DPKG) along with the Advanced Package Tool (APT). This combination simplifies the installation, removal, and management of software packages. Fifth, wide range of architectures. Debian supports a broad spectrum of hardware architectures, making it versatile and suitable for various computing devices, including personal computers, servers, and embedded systems. Sixth, multiple branches. Debian has different branches, including unstable, testing, and stable. Users can choose the branch that aligns with their preferences for receiving updates and stability levels. 7th, security focus. Debian places a strong emphasis on security. The Debian security team actively monitors vulnerabilities and releases timely security updates to address identified issues. 8. Debian installer. The Debian installer is known for its flexibility and ease of use. It supports various installation methods, allowing users to configure their systems according to specific requirements. 9. Debian repositories. Debian maintains a comprehensive set of software repositories categorized into stable, testing, and unstable branches. Users can choose the level of software stability they desire by selecting from these branches. 10. Release philosophy. Debian follows a release when ready philosophy rather than adhering to fixed release schedules. This ensures a high standard of quality, reliability, and thorough testing for each release. 11. Open source philosophy. Debian strictly adheres to the Debian Free Software Guidelines (DFSG), ensuring that software included in Debian is free and open source. 12. Debian Live Images. Debian provides live images and enables users to experience Debian without installing it. These live images are useful for testing compatibility and exploring the Debian environment. 13. Debian Derivatives. Debian has served as the foundation for numerous Linux distributions, known as derivatives. Popular distributions such as Ubuntu and GNOPIX are based on Debian and inherit its package management system. Documentation. Debian maintains extensive documentation including the Debian reference, installation guides, and facts, providing valuable resources for users at all levels of expertise. These features collectively contribute to Debian's reputation as a stable, reliable, and versatile Linux distribution that is suitable for a wide range of use cases from personal desktop to large-scale server deployments. Debian offers several advantages that contribute to its popularity and widespread use in the Linux community. Here are some key advantages of Debian. First, stability. Debian is known for its rock-solid stability. The stable release in particular undergoes extensive testing, making it a reliable choice for production servers and environments where system stability is crucial. Second, wide hardware support. Debian supports a broad range of hardware architectures, making it versatile and suitable for various computing devices, including personal computers, servers, embedded systems, and more. Third, community-driven development. Debian is developed by a dedicated and diverse community of volunteers. This collaborative approach fosters inclusivity and decisions are made through a democratic process, ensuring a collective effort in shaping the distribution. Fourth, security focus. Debian places a strong emphasis on security. The Debian security team actively monitors vulnerabilities and releases timely security updates to address identified issues, enhancing the overall security of the distribution. Fifth, package management system. Debian uses the Debian Package Management System (DPKG) along with the Advanced Package Tool (APT). This combination simplifies the installation, removal, and management of system packages, providing users with a robust and user-friendly package management experience. Sixth, multiple branches. Debian has different branches including unstable, testing, and stable. Users can choose the branch that aligns with their preferences for receiving updates and stability levels. 7. Debian Installer. The Debian Installer is known for its flexibility and ease of use. It supports various installation methods, allowing users to configure their systems according to specific requirements. 8. Debian Repositories. Debian maintains a comprehensive set of software repositories categorized into stable, testing, and unstable branches. Users can choose the level of software stability they desire by selecting from these branches. 9. Release philosophy. Debian follows a release when ready philosophy, ensuring that each release undergoes thorough testing before being deemed stable. This results in high-quality releases with a focus on reliability. 10. Debian Free Software Guidelines (DFSG). Debian strictly adheres to the Debian Free Software Guidelines (DFSG), ensuring that software included in Debian is free and open source. This commitment aligns with the principles of free software. 11. Documentation. Debian provides extensive documentation including the Debian reference, installation guides, and facts. The availability of comprehensive documentation supports users at various levels of expertise. 12. Debian Live Images. Debian offers live images that allow users to experience Debian without installing it. These live images are useful for testing compatibility and exploring the Debian environment. 13. Derivatives. Debian has served as the foundation for numerous successful Linux distributions, including Ubuntu, which inherits Debian's stability and package management system. 14th, versatility. Debian is versatile and can be used for a wide range of purposes from desktop systems to servers and embedded devices. Its adaptability makes it a suitable choice for diverse computing needs. These advantages collectively contribute to Debian's reputation as a robust, secure, and flexible Linux distribution that satisfies the requirements of users in various computing environments. While Debian is a widely respected and stable Linux distribution, like any software, it may not be the best fit for every use case. Here are some potential disadvantages of Debian. First, release cycle. Debian's conservative release when ready approach can result in longer release cycles compared to distributions with fixed release schedules. This may mean that users don't always have access to the very latest software versions. Second, software age. Due to Debian's emphasis on stability, the versions of software packages included in the stable release might be older than those in more cutting-edge distributions. This can be disadvantage for users who require the latest features or improvements. Third, desktop user experience. While Debian offers multiple desktop environments, it may not provide the same out-of-the-box polished desktop experience as some other user-focused distributions like Ubuntu or Fedora. Users seeking a more user-friendly desktop environment might prefer distributions with more emphasis on desktop features. Fourth, installer complexity. While the Debian installer is powerful and flexible, it might be considered less user-friendly for beginners compared to installers used by some other distributions. Users new to Linux might find the installation process slightly more challenging. Fifth, lack of proprietary software. Debian strictly adheres to free software principles, which means it doesn't include proprietary drivers or software that doesn't meet free software guidelines out of the box. Users requiring proprietary device drivers for specific hardware may face additional steps to enable them. 6. Community support. While Debian has a strong and dedicated community, the level of user support might not be as extensive or beginner-friendly as that of some other distributions with larger user base. 7. Documentation learning curve. The extensive documentation provided by Debian may be overwhelming for beginners, and navigating through it might require a learning curve. Some users might prefer more streamlined and concise documentation. 8. Backports for newer software. While Debian Backports provides a way to access newer versions of certain software, it might not cover every package, and users relying on backports may not have the same level of stability as with the stable release. It's important to note that the perceived disadvantages can vary depending on individual preferences, requirements, and levels of expertise. Debian remains a powerful and stable choice for many users, particularly those who prioritize reliability and adherence to free software principles. Users seeking bleeding edge software or a more beginner-friendly experience might explore alternative distributions. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.